This is to share with you how to fully maximize a 30 square meter house. On the entrance is a living room which welcomes you with full of warmth, comfortable furniture, calm colors and heart-warming decoration. The living room is a cozy space to relax. Just adjacent the living room is the simple dining room. These small dining room ideas makes the space look larger, with its storage design tricks. The dining table and chairs are simple in its shapes that won't take up too much space. The bedroom was just tidy enough with a touch of creativity, a queen-size bed, with television, a cabinet with a sliding mirror cover. A comfort room inside the room with a shower enclosed, also provides a shower heater. Let's go down to the first floor. This one, I love the wall design or paint, and to maximize the space my brother designed a spiral stairs. The first floor has 2 rooms designed for guests. Sorry, the other room was locked, and there is also a comfort room with shower enclosure. Outside or at the terrace, you can see the magnificent view of Baguio.
This is the grandiose panorama of Baguio City in our balcony. The view is really amazing. I love coming home to Baguio to escape the stifling heat of the metro, and this also makes travelers visit the summer capital of the Philippines, because of the beautiful Baguio tourist spots and the perfect cold weather. So don't forget to warm yourself up, don't underestimate the cold. If you haven't visited Baguio, don't miss it to experience.
I would also like to share to you the collections of Sister's husband of knife, bolo, large knife, or machete knife. It is a traditional pre-colonial small to medium-sized single-edged swords or large knives of the Philippines that function as both tools and weapons. Here are various types of bolos differing by ethnic group and purpose, ranging from large knives to short swords to special